Here's something fresh. It's a huge, exciting dream of a lifetime, where you can make money in a delightful way. Do you dream of helping people, enjoying luxury, and making money in one big grab? Well, it's possible. You can be a live information center for those people who are ready to make a move to somewhere fabulous. They're ready to change their lives and travel or settle abroad. So here at MoneyMoves, we will give you that clear view to help the movers and shakers, being their eyes, giving them security when they're touching down, with all the info needed when arriving to their dream destinations. To check things out and give realistic feedback, letting your client know what's good about specific destinations of their choice, giving great details and ideas concerning making a move to a different country. That's right. You will give them a clear scope on what their desired country is all about, helping them to decide and possibly prepare for the adventure of the biggest move of their lives. Check it out.
Welcome to MoneyMoves.
So there's more to this. So listen up. Did you know that there are many people that want to travel or move abroad, but feel a need to know as much as possible before they embark on such an endeavor? Yes, there are many people that will pay great money for first-hand information to get the details of what can potentially become their new home. Some people can simply look at a few pictures or a video or two and feel comfortable about moving to another country. And of course, there are some that are adventure seekers and would just take a chance. But also, there are some people who enjoy the benefit of communicating with a real person daily about what it's like to live or experience these countries via FaceTime, phone calls, or live on computer conferences. They need information before they can make that choice, and you're the one that's going to get it for them. There are some that will pay a handsome price for giving them a great rundown of all the intricate details. They may want you to find out the best areas to buy or build a house, the price of building and real estate laws, schools, things to do, and more. They may need you to find out about buying a car abroad and what types of cars are available within that country. Do they sell some of the best in luxury cars, or just mainly great vehicles to move around in? They may want to know where the most beautiful countryside is within certain regions. Or, does the area offer great city skylines and condos? They may also be interested to know what types of businesses are thriving best there, just in case they may want to start a business, if they should decide to make a permanent move. You're the scoper, so to speak, because you're scoping out the area and different things concerning some of the cultural details and more. You can also create connections concerning real estate agents. You get a real feel of the weather, as well as tasting the food and wine. That's right, you can go all the way live to feel the real heartbeat of different countries all over the world. It's a fun job, right? You can also see some of the cons of a country, like construction or traffic jams. It's all about learning, knowing, and documenting the details of your experiences in order to pass it on to your client. The bonus here is that you can be paid very well by a client. You may be thinking, how would I afford to travel to many places if I don't have paying clients yet? Well, allow me to share with you some secrets about flying around in a luxurious way, in comfort, for less money, or even free in some cases. If you want to go to different countries just to document your true experiences in each one, here's a good way to do it. Number 1, you'll need an affordable ticket. Do a search on major airline and hotel sites for the most cost-effective flights. You'll be astonished at how low some of these flight prices are. So, grab a special price for the trips that are on sale. Search for hotel deals. Check out local transportation info on the net and create your food budget. Many of these trips can be a few days of fun. Enjoy and see. Record it all. Jump back on the returning flight and go back home with the goods and great information for your client. The other thing is that you can make that video and share it with the world. You can do this as often as you can afford it, maybe even several times a year or more until you have a great selection of videos to show all over social media. And many of us know that doing this can mean big money. Some hotels will give great discounts for hotel rooms and meals if you can convince them that you have a great video that reaches many people, that you share this info with others, and if they want the business, they will make it easier for you so that you can tell an audience of people about their hotel, car rentals, and much more. In any country that you choose. If you love to experience knowing different cultures of people, food, and more, then this could be your joyful moneymaker. If you love to live your life on an adventure tip, then maybe it's time for you to book a trip and gather great information that would make your client happy and comfortable that you've done the groundwork. You've gathered great and helpful deals for foreign car rentals, hotels, and more. Create the data and content and advertise your company on social media to find those that have an interest in going to see the world. Then, the great life of travel and money flow can begin. What a passionate and prosperous way to live it. Remember, this world was made for all people to enjoy the best of it. So, be where you want to be. Our golden word for today is new country, new town, brings new ground to plant and nourish a life that's great. Don't forget that you heard it here at MoneyMoves. Be sure to watch until the end of this video. We have an awesome surprise for you. Thanks for being here at MoneyMoves. Check it out.
We've got the tips for you. Did you know that subscribers can get money too? Take just a few minutes to find out how. We're glad you're here. Let's check it out. We are subscriber blessers, and that's what we do. I know it's hard to believe that all you have to do is subscribe. Well, embrace it, believe it, it's true. You should subscribe because 5 subscribers are randomly chosen every week on Fridays. They are given a GoFundMe, and other subscribers simply load it up with cash. Be about it. Are you thinking there's more to it? Well, there's not. It's a real deal. We're gonna pick 5 people every week. After you've subscribed, then go to the comment box below and leave a comment that says, "I'm a subscriber blesser." After you do this, you can be chosen for the next week's Subscriber Blessers picks. You can be given a GoFundMe that will be active for 5 days for other subscribers to send you cash for any or no reason at all. It's true. And you too can give to other subscribers whenever you choose. So go ahead, go to the description box below to find the GoFundMe links for the 5 subscribers who've been chosen, and click to be a giver. And remember, if you're a subscriber, you can be next. But if you don't see the 5 subscribers below as of yet, then help us get it started. And that puts you closer to the front of the line, and that could be your big chance. If you're already a subscriber, you can click on our new video and simply leave us a new comment that says, "I'm a subscriber blessing." And we add you again to that amazing pool. And you can do this week after week after week, over and over again. All you do is check in every week to see what we've got. It may be your name. You can check in every day to get info on those GoFundMes for our wonderful, awesome, lovely, intelligent subscribers. That's right, those that are making almost all the world rich these days. Oh, the money? Well, subscribers are givers to other subscribers. You can give anything, 99 cents or $9,999 or more, because subscribers like stuff too. You know, like stuff, like shiny things, and paid tuition, and paid off mortgages, or building a yurt in the countryside. Are subscribers deserving of this? You know the answer, of course they are. And while you're here, watch a 5-minute clip to get a few ideas. about money stuff, you know? How money works, insurance, stocks, and the list goes on. That's all. No, that's really all. Why not subscribe? You can just click it. Click it. Click it. That's right. Great. Now that that's all done, be sure to check your notifications for a comment reply from us to let you know you've been selected as one of the 5 people to receive GoFundMes. Keep watching for their chance to be given cash. Be sure to be a giver to your fellow subscribers. You can be selected next. And we'll post a short interview on who got the cash. Thanks for subscribing, and keep a lookout for your name on Subscriber Blessers. Hit that bell for all the new videos coming your way. So just keep living, smiling, and enjoying. You get the gist.
Be sure to like and subscribe for a new Money Moves every week. Thanks for supporting our channel with your donations. We can keep it coming. See you next time on Subscriber Blessers.